Biotechnology MCQs chapter number 23. MCQs number 1. In a recombinant DNA contain DNA from two different sources. Option A is correct. Two different sources. 2. First restriction enzyme was isolated by Hamilton O. Smith. Option B is correct. Hamilton O. Smith. MCQs number 3. A commonly used decision enzyme is EcoR1. Option C is correct. MCQs number 4. Natural exochromosomal circular DNA molecules carrying genes from antibiotic resistance and fertility. Plasmid. Option D is correct. Plasmid. MCQs number 5. Which one has an antibiotic resistant genes for tetracycline and ampicillin? PBR322. MCQs number 6. The enzyme which seals the foreign DNA into vector is called DNA ligase. 7. Chimeric DNA is also known as recombinant DNA. Option A is correct. Lambda phage is virus. Option A is correct. A genomic library is a collection of both A and B bacterial clones, bacteriophage clones. Option D is correct. 10. A single-stranded nucleotide sequence that will hybridize into certain pieces of DNA is called primer and probe. Option D, A and B is correct. Which statement is not true about PCR? Is it not very specific? Is not very specific is incorrect about PCR. Tag polymerase is extracted from bacteria Thermus aquaticus. Option D is correct. DNA analysis is done to all of these: diagnose viral infection, identify criminals, determine evolution. Option D, all of these is correct. Method of DNA sequence in which DNA threads are chemically cut into pieces of different sizes is Maxam-Gilbert method. Option B is correct. Maxam-Gilbert method. Human genome is time larger than any other genome sequence so far. 25 times larger than. Organisms that have had a foreign genes inserted into them are transgenic organisms. Option B is correct. Transgenic organisms. Some transgenic bacteria produce a dipeptide sweetener called NutraSweet. NutraSweet. Option D is correct. Transgenic plants are produced when foreign genes are introduced into immature plant embryo. Option B is correct. Protoplasts are plant cells from which cells are removed. Cell wall are removed. Option A is correct. A weed engineering to produce a biodegradable plastic in cell granules is called mouse aldcress.